You could feel it. You could feel the fucking explosion on some of them.
Oh my God. They're all red. Sasha Gabor.
Golly. Gunshots. Those gunshots over there.
Papa, don't you love them? Aren't they beautiful? You want to come back out here? Turn that fucking television on.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
Waterfall.
Hellfire.
Aren't they beautiful?
Hellfire, baby.
They're like one of my favorites. Zsa Zsa Gabor. Oh, it's beautiful, Zsa.
Fucking amazing.
Look at that. Are we lucky or what? We don't have to be down there.
Hell yeah, look at that. Yeah.
We're supposed to be cards.
Look at the designs. Awesome.
Look at that pocket. Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Twizzlers.
Oh, here we go. Here we go, yeah. Oh my God, yes. Yes. They're getting closer.
Look at that.
This is it. Is this the finale? We're about to hit the finale. Ah, yeah.
Look at it, Bob. We missed this last night.
Right?
How sad is that?
Not disappointed. Got to catch it tonight.
We're lucky, aren't we?
That's fucking amazing.
Luckiest in
See, we got a 2-for-1 special tonight because we had the drone show too.
the life. Oh, 2 plus. I'm not denying that. I love that. Right there. I like how it streams out.
Yeah, 3D wise, it's like 3D shooting out. It looks so much better in person than this camera is showing.
Yeah, I know.
There we go. Here we go.
Look at that, Bob. It's Christmas.
Oh, nice. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, it's like the planet Saturn. See? See?
Another one. Those are our favorite, right?
Up,
Look at it.
that's fucking amazing.
Oh my God, they're gorgeous.
Though, that's weird. A lot of these are looking like planets being cracked in half.
Look at it, Bob.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying.
I know you are. I know you are. I know you are.
That's weird. Shit. Oh, there. Oh, yeah. There we go.
So that wasn't the finale.
No, nope. We're kicking it now.
How do you know?
Look at the boat.
Look how beautiful they are. Oh my God. It's unbelievable.
It's fucking amazing.
Thank you, St. Louis.
Remember, it's called Look Up St. Louis.
Thank you, Superman. Thank you, Bob.
Woohoo!
The Lion King.
Right.
Another The Lion King. Oh my God! Exactly. Here it goes.
Hey, blowing up, baby.
Bob, was that good last night? Oh my God. He said it was as good as last night, Bob.
Damn.
There they go, 3 of them.
That's what I'm waiting on. The back-to-back big explosions. That usually signals the last of it. They're gonna shoot a shitload of those off back to back.
We've already said 3 times.
Yeah, you're right. I think this is gonna be the.
They're outdoing themselves, Bob.
Who are you telling? Hell yeah.
I will wait 2 more years. I used to thank you so much for the drone.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Here we go. This is it.
No.
No, come on. Right. They might keep fooling us.
Do you have any blood left in your arms?
To be honest, it's you see I'm using my other hand to hold my other hand up.
You don't have any blood left.
Come on,
That,
no.
a burning plant.
It's going numb.
that. It's been going on forever.
Alright, I'm switching hands. Oh my
Wow.
god. Woo!
Go ahead, get it.
Jesus. Cinco de Mayo. Those are like
Watch them going up. Samba go up.
El Sambo!
The Camino!
Fiesta!
Fiesta!
Beautiful.
God,
Beautiful.
are we liking the weird thing?
Beautiful.
So cool.
Beautiful. Yes. Those are so bright. Oh my god. The camera does not do justice for this.
Christmas! It's Christmas!
Go, baby.
It's Christmas! Look at it!
The cars are hilarious. Woo!
Here it goes. This is the finale.
Fuck yeah.
No, that was. No, it was.
They're getting us this time.
They're getting close to it, and that was. The city knows how to do fireworks.
I'm glad my tax dollars went here, to be honest. This was worth it.
Yeah.
This was worth it. Oh, Lord, no.
I like those.
Holy shit.
That one
This-
did knock off.
This looks so much better, all not on camera. Holy fuck. Oh, what? What's this? What? Holy shit.
Palm trees.
Yeah.
Strawberry. Michael, how long are these? Incredible.
I'm enjoying it.
Oh my, incredible.
I'll take every bit of it. Thank you for being late. This is like a bonus for them being late.
They weren't even that late. Oh my God.
Spectacular.
Look at that, Michael.
This is it then. This has to be it. This is it. Oh my God, you can feel the fucking explosions. Oh, fucking yes. And they're still not done. Golly.
Look at that. Michael, don't forget to give him a good tribute.
Boy, they're really going all out this year.
I'm telling you, Bob.
They would have usually been done by now. Holy shit. I'm going 20 minutes into this video. And I caught it when it first started.
Yeah, it's been going on at least 20 minutes.
Holy shit. Oh boy. Oh my God, I gotta step back. Hell yeah. Woo! Beautiful blue. Hell yeah.
Yes.
This is it, baby. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
You believe it, Bob?
That's it, baby. St. Louis, Missouri, showing out. Show me, state.